see is a short here, boy. I am interested in if I can get a pop into that open print into this 46. That's one I would take time exempt. You know, that's worth taking a shot at that short.
Order filled.
But I do have an order sitting out there. So that pop just hit it too. I think this is the way I would imagine this playing out for most common price action, right? Is we come up, we test the 5-minute 9. If we can't break it here and start the reversal process now, they're going to make another run for it, you know, somewhere in here to the 15-minute 9. And if that can't break and start the reversal process, that's when we'll get the breakdown. So I want to cover into this. And then, you know, if that can't hold, I'm not doing any adding unless we come back up here or we break down and give me a setup under. And even then, just got to remember the risk reward, especially if it, you know, when we get here, that could be it. So for right now, you know, I'm not adding a bunch of risk here, but I do like the short side, and I'm looking for 33 as my first target. All right, let's go. Come on now, give me 33. I'll take some profits. Yeah, I'm going to take profits on a couple there. 19's the target. Here you go. I paid myself a little bit more. I'm down to small side. I need